Don't touch my hair. When it's the
Hello you guys, welcome back to the life of J Mom Rosa. As you read, today I am going to be doing a mini twist out. Alright, so the products that I will be using today are the Mielle Rosemary Mint Blend Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner, as well as the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. The first thing I do is just get a little section of my hair like that. The first thing that I'm going to do is apply the leave-in conditioner. You do not have to add a lot. It's literally is enough. So we're going to rub that in from roots to ends. And then we're going to comb with my denim brush, starting from the ends, working our way up to the root. Then we're going to use our Blue Magic grease. So we do not have to use a lot of Blue Magic grease because it'll go a long way. Therefore, I'm just going to use this much. Oh, and also don't forget to grease your scalp. So then we're going to comb that in and we're going to start twisting. You want to grip the roots, twist tightly, but not so tight where it's like ouch. But you know, you want it to last a long time. I like for my twists to last at least a month. So you want to twist tightly. You don't want to see any gaps in between. And the reason that I let my hair air dry before twisting is because I like for my twists to be elongated. I don't like for them to shrink up. I just don't like that look on me. And for the OGs out there, remember when I had a little skunk stripe? You can still kind of see some of the red right there, but it's definitely growing now. Alright, so I twist the ends and then boom. Well, finger coil the ends. That's the first one. You still see a little dye. I don't think I'll ever dye my hair again. I'm so glad my hair grew back healthy. But it was breaking off real bad. And I only did like a little skunk in the back, but yeah, never. Alright, so I separate my hair again in a small section. When doing this style, you gotta have a lot of patience. Because yeah, it'll take some time. Grease the scalp. You want to separate this and boom, put some leave-in on there. Comb that through. Put some grease. Comb on through, y'all, and then start twisting. I feel like y'all probably got the routine. Really easy, just leave-in and then Blue Magic. I be trying to tell everybody to use Blue Magic. It has grown my hair out so much. I'm gonna put like a before and after. I might put a picture from 2020, 2021, 2022, and then now 2023. Because when I tell you all, when COVID happened, that was probably the best thing that ever happened when it came to my hair. Because I was always doing high buns, not really doing protective styles. I would probably twist my hair. For example, I would twist my hair today, take it down tomorrow, and then wear a bun or wear it down. I was never really doing protective styles. And then in quarantine, I was like, let's try some protective styling. Let's do some twists. My twists, they were very short. The bun, it was so small, it couldn't even fit in like a ponytail. For real, I used to have to put little bobby pins to hold it back. But y'all, it grew like crazy. I love me some twists, and I feel like the smaller they look on me, the better they look. And I can do more styles when they're smaller. Get you out some Blue Magic. Just don't use too much. A little definitely goes a long way. Look how moisturized those look, y'all. They're super small, but the finishing product though is gonna be fire. Fire. Y'all, can you all put me on to some new shows? I have Netflix, Hulu, Peacock. Please list some movie suggestions, some series, something down below, because I feel like I'm watching everything. Like right now, I'm watching Married to Medicine on Hulu, and I've seen this about 10 times. Like, I don't know why I do that. I watch the same thing over and over again. I just got done watching Real Housewives of Atlanta last week. Started from season 1 until season 15. It's like, girl, Why? This gonna take about 3 to 4 hours. But I signed myself up for it. One day I did some mini braids, some mini knotless braids, and they were long. They stopped to below my butt, and it took me 12 hours. And I don't know how I could do it all in one day. Sometimes I have really high energy, and then sometimes I don't. Alright, so as y'all can see, I just finished the first half of my hair, and it is 4:37, and I think I started at 3, so an hour and 30 minutes, that's not that bad, because it used to take me an hour to do each section. But this is how they look. They're so juicy and moisturized. Look at over here. I like. My hair is at a length to where I would like consider wearing it down, but the line is gonna mess up my whole lot. But I'm gonna do this side off camera. I'm gonna take a little break really, and I'll come back when I'm done. Alright y'all, today is the next day. I am done with my hair. It's super moisturized. It looks so good. On this side, I did them smaller on accident. Like, I don't know how that happened. And the reason it looks curly is because I stretch out my hair with these things, and the way that I did it, I don't know, it just made it curly, and this side is straight. If you watch my videos, you know that I pull my hair back anyway, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put some down in my face, like probably 3, like that, and put the rest in a ponytail. Alright, so this is how my hair is gonna look today. Back. And yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all learned something. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the Life of J. Rosa. And I'll see y'all in my next one.